Riverwalk Park, High Street Bridge, unimproved trail that takes you to Broderick Boat Ramp and beyond to the Rivercrest Trail. Let's check it out. We're coming into the Broderick Boat Ramp along the levee trail. So this is the Broderick Boat Ramp parking lot. If you're driving a car here, you come in right there. It's good luck to dip your wheel in the water. Then you gotta ride the hill back up. And then you have three different choices. There's kind of a road right there. There's also a path right there. And then there's the actual river trail right there. I'm gonna see if I can do the river trail. That's gonna be hard with one hand. This is a trail. If you keep coming here, put you on the walking path. That's right next to the river. After the huge windstorm we had this year, there was a bunch of trees down on this trail. They've been taken care of. This part is hard when I have two hands. You get to the confluence of the Sacramento and American rivers. There's two bridges there. The green one's the Discovery Park bridge, and then the freeway bridge behind that. Right side. The property where we're on now is going to be the site for the new museum they're putting out here, the State Park, California Indian Heritage Center. It's all this gorgeous property right here. Usually a lot of people out fishing on this beach. trail is now going to merge with the middle trail. Take you out to an old paved area. Joggers and geese. This is the beginning of the Rivercrest Trail. It's behind the lighthouse project in Broderick. If you've used this trail in the past, you'll remember that there was several spots that would get muddy. This was one of them because of runoff from the houses on the levee. Well, no longer. The city or RD 900, they just put in culverts in those spots where it was flooding to direct the water under the trail, so they're no longer muddy all the time. We're at the end here, and this is the beginning of the trail in Broderick and Bright. Furthest north part of the West Sacramento Riverwalk. It is paved and gorgeous all the way down to Todd Hunter. So behind Bright Park, where the soccer fields are. Hello. Beautiful day.
You look so cute.
Thank you. Alright, that's it. It's Riverwalk Trail. That's beautiful Bright Park.